Let's get to the weather now as we take a live look outside on this Monday evening. Really a beautiful day, but you can see those clouds starting to roll in, Nikki.
That's right. Cutter, let us know what's the next 24 hours expected to look like.
Yeah, Nikki and Rick, basically more of the same for the time being. We have the warmth, the humidity, just a spotty storm chance this evening. And then tomorrow, kind of around this time, is when the worst of the weather will move through, certainly sending many of the outdoor plans indoors, and it could snarl the evening commute. That's why it's a first alert weather day. And we're already tracking these showers and storms well to our north and west. Nothing here locally aside from some storms at the beach. But as you go into western Pennsylvania, even more so back into Ohio and parts of West Virginia, we're starting to see the first few blips of showers and storms moving in from the Great Lakes. That's what the storm system, the same one that is going to move into our forecast tomorrow, bringing that chance of showers and needed thunderstorms. We don't want severe weather, but we're still in a drought. We still need the rain, and this is going to be another punch to that drought situation as the heavy rain moves in tomorrow. Current temperatures right now, though, upper 80s downtown Inner Harbor, 84 in Perry Hall, west side of town, southwest side, Columbia in the upper 80s. These numbers, though, when you factor in the humidity, it's going to feel a degree or two hotter, maybe closer to 90 degrees. So certainly still sweating outside, but not as hot as it has already been so many times this summer season. Hour by hour forecast. Temperatures cool from the 80s, slowly back into the 70s. Could be a few showers around, maybe a rumble or two of thunder. And like last night, we had a few storms all the way through midnight, 1 o'clock in the morning, and then a few more around sunrise. So there could be still some rain while we're sleeping overnight tonight, but not thunderous constantly or anything like that. Out the door tomorrow morning, upper 60s, lower 70s, right around 70 in Baltimore, 68 Salisbury, 71 College Park, the same in Westminster. You're going to feel the humidity out the door in the morning, and there will be a few showers around. And on the north and west sides of town in particular, could be some thunderstorms with that chance through the 7, 8, 9 o'clock hours. Temperatures approaching 80, mostly cloudy with a shower or two around at 11 a.m. And then we'll warm even further. Temperatures back in the low to mid 80s heading into early afternoon. And it's at the point that we get into the 80s tomorrow, that's when the risk of severe weather will start to increase. Showers and thunderstorms will really start to develop across the area. You just kind of need that heat to get it going, and it's kind of a setup. Any storm tomorrow will produce lots of lightning and heavy rain. Remember, when thunder roars, please do move indoors. If you're close enough to a storm to hear thunder, you're close enough to be struck by lightning. And a few of these storms will be severe. Wind gusts, the big threat, could also be some hail, and an isolated tornado or two cannot be ruled out. So here's your full timeline to give you the idea. At 9 o'clock in the morning, not completely dry. I think some folks will be getting poured on, but it's, relatively spotty. Still a lot of dry space by that point. But that changes as we heat up. Here's the clock at 2 p.m. Showers and thunderstorms lighting up across central Maryland and the eastern shore. And at some point, kind of a line of storms forming right along I-95, moving over to the eastern shore. So that will impact the Baltimore Metro during the evening commute tomorrow. And we'll have a few storms lingering past sunset, especially east of the Chesapeake. Keep that in mind and have at least one way to get severe weather alerts on your Tuesday. Wednesday, we're going to pare down that chance of showers and storms, but still a few rumbling around the area, and then gradually drying out. Thursday into Friday, cooler Thursday. This little area of low pressure spinning to our north, so a northerly wind, more clouds, a couple showers. That's why it's going to be cooler. And then as it departs and the sunshine moves back in, Friday back closer to 90. I think we'll hit 90 on Saturday, 89 Sunday, 90 on Monday, with an afternoon and evening chance of showers and thunderstorms. Rick.
Be a busy week, Cutter. Thank you.